Ladies and gentlemen, my young friends, you have a huge responsibility on your shoulders. There's huge potential in the work that you are doing. You can actually transform the way India is developing. You can transform the future of this country with the work that you are doing in NITI. I remember when we were engaged with the National Productivity Council, Governing Council meeting, it was then that I was informed that NITI came out of National Productivity Council. And I was actually questioning whether government needs to be involved in productivity, in industrial engineering during that meeting. But when I saw the good work that NPC is doing, that NITI is doing, I realized a little bit of hand-holding or back-end support of the government will help in public, private and academia working together as stakeholders and partners. I'm really delighted to be a part of today's program where we have inaugurated the Center of Excellence in Logistics and Supply Chain Management. I do hope you will all create a very robust, very vibrant curriculum which will serve our logistics sector, help it become more efficient, help it become more cost effective, help it create newer and newer ways of doing things. New jobs will be created, new opportunities for our young boys and girls to work in this sector. And as we drive down these costs and become more competitive, we'll be able to export more of our products, we'll be able to engage with world markets, expand our outreach, and thereby bring more economic activity to India, which is the need of the hour if we have to bring prosperity in the lives of 130 crore Indians.